Any light, they can take it, so we play for keep. Boy, you better not play with me. Brother like D-Way, he won't never ever leave me. Drippin' on my necklace, bitch, I'm young and reckless. Shawty caught me right off the way I wrecked. She caught me broke, cause I ain't a giant nigga. I don't buy shoes.
June, hey Merlino.
I'm from the slum for real. You live by the gun, you gon' die by it. I know niggas in the field for real without that shit. Dead, man, why for real? You live by the gun, you gon' die by it. I know niggas in the field for real without that shit. Dead, man, why can't? Recovering from homicide. I ain't been right since she done died. So I gotta ride with a fight. You gon' reach with my like only try. You must not be scared to die. I ain't scared to die, but just know it's your life and mine. You a dead man, why can't? These niggas, they really swimming in their thoughts. They don't want smoke on the top of their thumbs. Snakes in the grab at the mow your lawn. They want this smoke, so I'm feeling they lungs. Yeah.
Yo, it's the boy Main TV here with the first video of the channel. As you see by the title, it will be a car tour of the Lexus LS 460 07. And I'm gonna give y'all a little background on it. I am 19, by the way, and this is my 5th car. I had 5. I had a Honda, I had a Lexus, Volkswagen, another Lexus, and now this one. And out of 5, my first car, my Honda, I got in an accident. And then with my 4th car, the Lexus, I got in an 18-wheeler accident. So, with all that being said, all that everything that I went to get to this car, you know what I'm saying? So, let me bring y'all on this journey with me. As y'all see, this is her. This is what she looking like. Her name is Lexi, by the way. Pretty sure y'all know how I got that name. She's all navy blue with a chrome grill with an L in the middle. With the fog lights. I'm gonna show y'all what kind of motor she got too. She got an 8-cylinder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 cylinder, pushing 380 horsepower. And yeah, this is the side. 18-inch wheels on there. Got it chrome at the bottom, chrome door handles, chrome window trim. All 4 doors do got a lock button on it. And it makes the door fold, the mirrors fold in too. And the mirrors got a light on it too, so when the door's locked and when I come up to it, the light come on. I already did a few mods to it. The door handles do got Lexus on the ground. And I do have tail light tint and a custom tag with my name on it. With the Lexus to go around it. And I did a little something in the trunk too. I'll show y'all what that's looking like. I got a 12-inch driven with a little amp. The amp will get changed out soon too. Changed out. And the trunk does close on its own when you barely tap it. There it go. That's what that do. And I did a muffler delete. If y'all can see that at the bottom. She ain't straight pipe, she still got her resonate on, but the muffler is gone though. The tint I got on there currently is 20%. I'm gonna go darker soon. I do got a little crack right there. That will be fixed. Now I'm just gonna get the whole windshield tinted. That's a round view of her. And as I go in, all cream seats. The flow mats in the inside. So I'm gonna start from the door and then just go forward like that. So we got leather all on the side with the wood grain, with the memory seats, with the power windows. Y'all know what those do. Unlock, unlock, lock windows. And this right here is for the seat belt. Let me show you what that do. Moves up like that. Go up, go down. And as we come closer, this is for the rear viewers. This is them for them too. Just make them fold in and out. So I got them on auto so they do it on his own. Park assist, heating steering wheel, little cubby. I don't use it. Gas trunk, hood. And this is the steering wheel. Still got wood coming around it too. And for this right here, at nighttime, it don't work during the daytime for some reason, but at nighttime, if I press it, it cleans my headlights. So it got some soap and water that gets sprayed on them. I'm gonna show y'all that too at night. It's the steering wheel. Steering wheel does come on. That's what it look like. Only got 125 on it right now, and nothing too crazy. So it is a push start. I'm gonna show y'all what the radio does. It's a climate control, audio, display, info, maps. I know that kind of stuff. But this is for the climate. Change the numbers out how you want it, how low you want it, you know, that type of stuff. And then heated seats with the cold seats too. Traction control. And this right here, that's for my Bluetooth to play my music. And this is for the rear seats, for the people sitting in the back seat, who want their seats up. And that's for that. Sunshade. That's where we go to the top. Sunglasses. I don't wear sunglasses. Your garage opener for your sunroof. Look down. I know what these do. For the passengers, nothing too crazy. That, what I was telling y'all, same goes for that. And keep the same, you know, cologne, lotion, cologne, charger, stuff like that. The basics, nothing too crazy. Keep you some toothpicks in your car, man. Gotta keep some of them. Ops, don't use, got Bluetooth, little card flyer. That's about it. Back seat, still got the mats in the back. That's for 16 in the middle. Speaker, got a little ashtray in the back. I haven't seen these like ever since old schools. Like when I had got the car, I ain't even noticed it had that. A little tweeter right there. Nothing too crazy in the back. They got their own mirror too. And pull down. Wood come on top of this. Seat warmers. Just work for that as well. That does that. That's about it for the back seat, y'all. I forgot to show y'all this as well. This moves up and down too for the passenger.
Get money, yeah, I seen a nigga do it. Yeah, my car excited, got my trunk inside my hood. I gon' leave my hood when I get rich, I know my hood.
Y'all seen it? Show y'all this how I look at nighttime when I come to the door. Rearview mirrors cut on. This is the door lights for y'all. Got it on that one. And I got it on this one as well. That's how the door lights look at night. That's going to complete the car tour for y'all. I appreciate y'all tuning in with me. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. I'm happy to take y'all on the journey with me. The car will not be the same by the time I'm done with it. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm going to catch y'all in the next one.